In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Canva subscription. If you've been using Canva Pro or another paid plan and decided you don't need it anymore, or you just want to avoid the next billing cycle, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. We'll keep it simple, clear, and make sure you actually complete the cancellation so you're not charged again by accident. First, open Canva in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account, the one that has the active subscription. This might sound basic, but many people have multiple accounts and end up managing the wrong one, so it's worth double checking your email or profile icon in the top corner. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the Canva homepage. You should see your profile picture or an icon representing your account. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage things like your personal details, security, and of course, billing. On the settings page, look for the billing section. Depending on the current Canva layout, this might appear as a tab or an item in the left-hand menu labeled Billing, Billing and Plans, or Billing and Teams. Go ahead and click on Billing. This is where Canva shows you your current plan, your next billing date, and the payment method on file. Take a moment here to review your subscription details. You'll usually see whether you're on a monthly or yearly plan, and when your next charge is scheduled. This can help you decide if you want to cancel right away or closer to that renewal date. To actually stop the subscription, find the option that says Cancel Plan. This is typically located near your current plan details, often as a button or link. Click on Cancel Plan. Canva may show you a confirmation screen, possibly asking why you're canceling or offering an alternative like switching to a different plan. Read any messages carefully so you understand what happens next, especially whether you'll retain access until the end of the billing period. Follow the on-screen prompts until you see a final confirmation that your plan has been cancelled. Afterward, it's a good idea to refresh the billing page and confirm that your status has changed to a free plan and that no upcoming payments are scheduled. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Canva subscription and switched back to the free version.